Define time invariance and linearity. Firstly, we'll try to understand the concept of time invariance. Let us consider an air conditioner, which is initially set at 24 degrees. When it's very hot, we'll lower down the temperature, let's say by 4 degrees. The output then results in a lower down temperature to be 20 degrees. Thus, the change in input results in output. Similar process occurs in the case of time invariance. Thus, a time invariance is defined as a property in which time shifting the input will cause the same time shift in the output. That is, x of n minus k must equal the y of n minus k. Now moving towards linearity in systems, which follows two properties. First one is scaling, and the second one is superposition or homogeneity. That is, from the figure w of n must equal the y of n. Now we'll discuss the time variance, which is opposite of time invariance. That is, input-output characteristics vary with time. Here are the various examples of time-variant system. For example, aircraft system. The time-variant characteristics are caused by different configuration of control surfaces during takeoff, cruise, and landing. Now, another example is human vocal tract, that whatever we think, we speak. That is, input is our thinking and our words are the output. Here we'll discuss about non-linearity of systems. As linearity satisfies both scaling and superposition theorem or additivity or homogeneity properties, then non-linearity does not. We can understand this with the help of waveforms using additivity property. That is, output 2 waveform is not same as output 1. The related terms are